Welcome back to the next video. In the previous video, we went through the other programs page and your next best step page. Excuse me. In this video, we're going to take a look at the links page and the contacts page. There may be up to 4 links in this section, but that's open to change. What these are basically is these are your user posts and videos on the drumjourney website. So let's click on user post and see what happens to a part. This would happen to a general visitor, a user. So they take you to the drumjourney. They will either need to sign up or register or log in. And then they gain access to the posts for drumjourney, whoever this user is. Then if they click on the videos, they can see your videos. And that's basically it. I'm not going to go into drumjourney here, but it's basically just a social community that you for drummers. It's new, so there won't be many users, or there could be. It depends at what time you see this video. Well, that's basically it. These are added from the back end, and that's basically it about this, about those links. And again, you can activate or deactivate these, so you can, once you're in, you can either create user posts or videos at your leisure and then activate this, or you can just activate them and then create posts. It's up to you. So next, let's look at the let's take a look at the contact page. This contact form will go to the email that you signed up to, that you add in. It will go to this email that you signed up to here. And all this information is editable in the back end. Now, to get into the back end, we are requiring now that you sign up to the list. Otherwise, well, we just want to keep it a little bit protected. Only viewable by genuine people who are interested. I mean, now we've got these two links sorted out. So they're basically self-explanatory. You will just receive emails or inquiries through this form to your actual email address. So I think we'll leave it here for this video. It's a short video, so in the next video I will take you through the application process, the application form. To get into this program, you will need to register at the main site, and then from your administration area, you will then be able to access the application form. And the application form is solely so that you can put in most of the information, most of the foundational information for this site, i.e. these links, or you can leave them blank and then not activate this link section. And that's also true for the all this information, your location, etc. So, until next time, I will catch you later. Bye for now.